Hey there, this is Rupesh from PassiveIncomeForAll.com. Thanks a lot for stopping by on my website, and I really appreciate your company today. So, before I jump into telling you on how you can go about earning passive income online, I want to tell you a story of how I got involved in the first place. You see, I'm a pharmacist by profession. So, how did I get started with internet business and all of that kind of crazy stuff? Well, let's just say fate had a way of playing its role in the story. You see, I wanted to study and work as a pharmacist in Canada. Now, in order for me to do that, I had to write the exams, the Canadian qualifying exams. And I wrote the exams twice and I failed on both occasions. And in order for me to write the Canadian exams, I had to fly all the way from South Africa to Canada, and that became quite a costly affair. And that's the reason why I said for the third time, I'm going to stick around here in South Africa, save some money, and try my luck at various other ways of making money. And that's exactly what I had done. I tried my luck at multi level marketing. Then I tried my luck at buying a franchise. I even tried gambling. Yeah, I even tried horse racing. I know it's not a way of making money, but I gave it a shot anyway. And then coming to the online world, that's when I tried the online surveys and the pay to click websites. Now, those two opportunities, they did pay, but the money wasn't big and it wasn't passive income. So, you might have also experienced what I have gone through. You might have also said to yourself, you've tried so many things and nothing has worked out, and there's just no luck or there's no hope. And that's what I thought until this change happened in my life. You see, I am completely deaf in my right ear, so I need my left ear for my all my communication on a daily basis. Now, during my time, I used to suffer from this condition called tinnitus. Tinnitus is basically when you have the ringing in the ears. It can get pretty annoying, but it never used to bother me because it used to come now and again. But at this point in time, the change that happened and all the stresses that had come from me having to look at ways of making money had hit me with full blown tinnitus. And when I say full blown, I mean it made my communication with my customers extremely hard. I actually had come to this point of panicking because now I couldn't communicate properly. And I said to myself, how will I do my job then? And this is when I had no choice but to go ahead and purchase a hearing aid. And I have it on right now, as you can see. I won't lie to you. It's something that I did not want to do, but it definitely makes a difference in my life. The hearing is not the same as what it was, but it's still better than not having nothing at all. And that's why my advice to you is if you like listening to loud music, go easy on the ears because you only have one pair for life. So this got me thinking now. What happens if the day should ever come where I would lose complete hearing in my ear? Then what? What would happen then? And this is when I started looking again. The search continued for that business opportunity. So one evening, as I was browsing through Facebook, I saw a post of one of my friends talking about a business that they have just joined. And this really got the curiosity of me, and I decided, let me do some more research and check it out. So I visited Google, and a review article came, and it talked about this business opportunity actually being a Ponzi scheme. But what was more interesting is that this very same article talked about an online platform that was free to join and did not ask for any credit card information whatsoever. And this got me interested. And that's when I said, I need to check this out. So I said, what the hell? Let me go ahead and join. And this platform that the article was talking about was called Wealthy Affiliate. And today, in August 2018, it will be 3 years that now I am a member of this platform. So what is Wealthy Affiliate? Wealthy Affiliate is a platform that teaches one on how to build their own affiliate marketing business. So now what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you earn commissions by recommending products or services via your own website. Okay, so it may sound pretty complicated, but it's really not. Let me explain it to you. Let's just say, for instance, you decide to build a website on cat toys, on drones. And say somebody visits your website and they're interested in buying a particular cat toy that you reviewed or on a latest model of drone that you reviewed, they would just simply click on the affiliate link that you have embedded on your website. Now, this link would then take them to the merchant that you are affiliated with. Let's say, for instance, you become affiliated with Amazon, for instance. By the way, it's free to become an Amazon affiliate. And then once they go to Amazon and they complete the transaction, Amazon in turn would pay you a commission. And that's how affiliate marketing works in a nutshell, plain and simple. Now, the advantage of an affiliate marketing business is that you can build a business on any niche or any passion that you're interested about. Even if it's something that you're not interested about, all you have to do is just take a keen interest, learn more, and while you're learning, you are earning at the same time. And finally, the best part about this is it's given me the opportunity to earn passive income online. It's the opportunity that I have been looking for. So I think we talked enough about me. Let's talk about you. How can an online affiliate marketing business help you? Well, there are four reasons, and I'm going to tell it to you quickly. The first reason in how it can help you out is that the capital outlay is very small compared to having a traditional brick and mortar or a normal physical shop. The major expense that you would have is your domain name, which costs you about, say, $13 to $14. And then you would have to get some training, tools, resources, and backup of your online business. And the fortunate thing is that Wealthy Affiliate covers all of this under one roof. They even have a very powerful site builder. So you can actually buy your very first domain name using the site builder, and it actually feels like child's play when you use that platform. The second reason or second benefit of having an online affiliate marketing business is that you can work from anywhere and at any time. So there's a lot of flexibility. The third reason, it gives you access to over 3 billion people. This is how much people are searching the internet on a regular basis. I mean, you might have heard of physical stores that are closing doors, and one of the main reasons why is because many people are turning online to shop for their stuff. From toys to clothes, even cars, people are buying online. So you would want to be in front of this audience. And this is where Wealthy Affiliate can help you get in front of this audience. The final reason is that there's no recruiting or cold calling or there's no door to door selling. So you don't have to go out there and sell. And I think this is the most attractive feature for me because it means that I don't have to listen to my customers. Not that I mind, it just means that it's less stress for me. And at the same time, it gave me that backup plan that I was looking for. So now, why must you join Wealthy Affiliate? Well, you don't have to join Wealthy Affiliate, but here's a couple of reasons why. It's free to join. Look, they do have a paid membership option, but you can take the free membership and you can test drive the platform for as long as you want. There is no pressure. The second thing is that it's perfect for newbies and it's perfect for someone who is just starting out in the online world. I mean, take a look at me, for instance. I started from the health field. I knew nothing about the internet or any mumbo jumbo stuff. Then the third reason is that this platform has been around for over 13 years. So it's not some fly by night that I am recommending to you or some get rich scheme. There are over 1.4 million members here. So the community is quite interactive, so you would want to check that out. So go ahead, click the link below and test drive Wealthy Affiliate yourself. So before I'm going to leave you today, I want to make one last promise to you. I know that when you're starting online, when I started back then, it was very overwhelming and you didn't know who to turn to or where to turn to. So I'm going to be here to make this promise and tell you that I'm here to welcome you and I'm also here to help you every step of the way. So there's nothing for you to worry about. You can always try it, and even if it's not for you, that's fine too, as long as you try something. So that's my story of changes. Imagine if my hearing did not get affected, then I would have not been able to look for another opportunity, or I would have not looked for another opportunity, and I would have not made this video speaking to a person as awesome as you. Looks like change is good after all. Once again, thank you very much for visiting my website. For more information, please visit www.passiveincomeforall.com. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and take care. Goodbye.